about damp heat from the metal element perspective.
Yeah.
Metal element is lungs, large intestines, and skin. Metal element is important for the body fluid distribution and to get rid of the toxins in the body, so old air, old mucus, old phlegm, old grief, sadness, anything we don't need anymore that goes out through large intestines and through lungs. So the importance is to give fresh and new fluid, get rid of the old fluid. The other importance of a metal element is immunity. Lungs are the most important for building Wei Qi or immunity Qi.
Immunity.
Yeah.
The defense.
And the metal element is at the moment very affected because it's fall time and we are in the rainforest. So the conditions during fall here are damp and hot. So we create damp heat in the metal. How do you recognize and take care of damp heat on the skin here from nursing point of view?
From a nursing point of view, what we like to do is we check their folds in brachycephalic dogs or in general, but we look for areas of damp heat, which is usually down here, so red irritation. There's sometimes a yeast smell as well, we showed you in the earlier videos. Also in their feet, they can be itching and itching and itching. So you look at between their paws, and you could see a redness. You could see when there's too much heat and wetness together, it can rub and create sores. So we need to protect and stop that from happening. The way we can do that is keep the areas clean, and we can wash the paws with a proper antibacterial type pH soap. The other thing that we can do is keep it dry. So if we go out for a walk, we want to make sure that their feet are dry from being on the grass, etc. Afterwards, otherwise they sit and lick, and then all those little fibres and dust particles create another itch on top, and it's a continuous cycle. Then they kick and itch their ears. They've just transferred it to here, to here, to here. So there's creams, topical creams that we could do, and also the natural pH yeast type shampoos that can help get rid of those things. We do need to make sure that they don't have too much rubbing in between because they can cause a lot of sores, and then we have to bandage it and go to the vet also. And what else do we do from a nutritional point of view? Because it's not just this, as Diana explained, there's the Wei Qi and the defense and immunity in our lungs and keeping everything nice and good.
We, from the nutritional point of view, we take care of these body fluids. We replenish body fluids with really nice white, watery food like daikon, radish, turnip. And then we want to get rid of this damp heat with what we're talking about. To get rid of the damp heat, we need to use food that is taking out the old moisture, which is cauliflower, for example, and we want like draining damp, and we want to give food that is cooling in the body, more yin food.
So hot, you can imagine hot, sweaty feet. When we go hiking, when you get blizzards on your feet, that kind of thing, that's what these guys are having. So we need to really be on top of it because it can be painful, and there's so many secondary infections that you can get too, and that does require antibiotics and the vet. So we want to prevent that.
And for example, when you want to stop them from licking, do you put collar on? How do you prevent them from licking their paws when you see that it's happening?
Yeah, you can do a variety of things. Sometimes they like to itch down in the groin and under the arms. They're common areas as well. So you could do a really light fitting cotton t-shirt. You could put on cotton socks on their things, but you want to make sure it doesn't get wet. Otherwise, we've just kept on doing the same process, and then they keep them on too. We can also do a nice. The t-shirt would actually also help come in here. Them licking their paws, the socks, itching the ears, the socks. That does protect their ear with the scratching of the nail because that can cause cuts, bleeding, sores, secondary complications. We can also do a collar around the neck. You can get Elizabethan collars, the almighty lampshades. They're a pain, but they're excellent. Whoever invented that, thank you. Yes. But also there's some nice round ones that we can get to. But you can ask your vet or a pet's safe thing to go around the neck, or you can ask us directly too, and we will be able to help you with something suitable for your pet to stop that movement or that movement. I'm not going to do the feet to me because it's because I am human.
I wanted to add, when we have damp heat, we can also have it in the lungs from mental perspective. From a food nutritional point of view, I would use almonds and pears. They're really good for lung fluids, to replenish fresh fluid and to get rid of the old fluid. And from nurse side of view, when you have this wet cough and they cannot stop, especially brachycephalic breeds, would you assist with taking out the sputum from the throat, or holding their nose up? What is the emergency that people can do when they have this wet cough?
So there's a few things with that we do need to check that it's not a contagious respiratory pathogen type illness. And we need to also, if they are having the reverse sneezing, which as you're saying is so common right now, hot and cold and in the lungs, and it's just that damp heat just stuck in there, and that can turn into phlegm too. So what we like to do is sometimes from a brachycephalic point of view, you could actually tap here or just stroke under here on the throat. There we go. And we just pat that. What we want to get them to do is have a lick and a swallow, because that'll help the soft palate and the hard palate just go back together again, opening their mouth. You don't, they're having a problem, so doing all these things won't really help. You need to just help keep them calm, and then under here. And also having a drink of water. As simple as that. But again, if they're really, really struggling, they'll stretch out and they'll go down, because they're trying to get as much into their lungs as they can.
He's licking his balls.
He's licking. What do we need to do for this sweet guy?
Elizabethan collar will get a tulip.
Socks and a t-shirt.
One more thing I wanted to mention. The plant that I've learned about here, kava plant, you can use it topically, right? You have it in the soap as antibacterial, antifungal.
So we do like to make sure that we do have pet safe products. So there are kawa products out there. Also manuka honey, that's a very nice one too, from an antibacterial, but again it has to be the pet side of things, because other things are harmful to animals, could cause further skin irritations. If we've got an open sore, we don't want to be putting in a human product that's got hydrochloric acid in it. That would not be good. So yeah, those are excellent topical products to put on. Absolutely, yeah.
Manuka honey is very famous even all over the world. When I used to work in Dubai, we used it. In Croatia, we are using it. We're using it everywhere, and you have it here really in abundance.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, we really like manuka honey here. We know it has good healing properties. By Harley, so he's going to get it now. He's like, I know what I need to put on. So it's excellent for wound healing and just getting the granulation tissue to come back together again, and just those building blocks like the honey, the pattern that they do. That's what it does in a cell form right in here. So it's
nature.
Right from nature. Yeah.
Next time we will talk more about wind heat, right?
Yep, that sounds great. See you later.
See you. Bye.